Today, as the cost of vehicles increase, so do the desires of owners to keep their vehicles clean and protected from harmful elements. Retailers and businesses have learned that providing easy-to-use and dependable automated wash systems for their customers and employees makes good business sense. And when it comes to ease of use, performance, and dependability, the wash systems they choose are from NewStar Incorporated, a company that has been providing quality wash systems and supplies for over 40 years. NewStar wash systems have earned the trust of countless retailers and businesses throughout the nation. No matter what your needs, whether it's touch-free or soft touch, NewStar has a system for you. The Super Comet is one of NewStar's most popular touch-free wash systems. With a sleeker design and completely modern mindset, the NewStar Super Comet continues to be a leader in ease of operation, dependability, and performance. Like all NewStar systems, the Super Comet is built to last and features a solid steel foundation. Another key feature is that all of the unit's drive systems are hydraulically driven, giving the unit unmatched dependability year after year. All components are state-of-the-art, assuring the highest quality and reliability. The Super Comet not only boasts reliable operation, but also industry-leading performance. The unit's high-pressure water pump produces 1,000 psi at 40 gallons per minute, giving the unit consistent, reliable pressure to meet the most demanding situations. All operations and functions can be easily customized with NewStar's state-of-the-art control panel. The Super Comet's adjustability is even made easier with NewStar's hydraulically driven components. Rugged, long-lasting hydraulic and water lines are all color-coded for easy identification. Lines are also protected in specially designed carriers that travel with the system. This feature provides maximum longevity to power and liquid lines. All nozzle and spray wheels are stainless steel or corrosion-proof materials, assuring consistent wash cycles year after year. Spray nozzles are designed for peak efficiency and performance, starting with a gentle pre-soak that delivers a uniform spray to gently lift dirt and grime from the vehicle, followed by an application of multicolored foam that covers the vehicle in a gentle blanket of cleaning material. Next is the pressure wash and rinse. The Super Comet incorporates 28 high-pressure nozzles on 7 strategically mounted spinners to assure 100% vehicle coverage to remove even the toughest dirt and grime. As the Super Comet travels past the vehicle, the side spray arms rotate to maximize the impact angle, assuring an even and effective cleaning of every vehicle for the industry's best touch-free wash. Next is a smooth and even application of clear coat sealant and spot-free rinse, giving the vehicle a durable shine, free from spotting and streaking. Complete vehicle drying is a feature customers demand. Both our mounted drying system and our freestanding drying system have strategically placed vents that assure no contact with your customers' vehicles. Each provides plenty of power with blowers that range up to 50 horsepower and will fit even small bays with ease. Easy to use, dependable, outstanding performance, and profitable. That's the Super Comet from NewStar, built by people who have been providing quality wash systems for over 40 years. For more information on the Super Comet or other quality wash systems and supplies designed to increase your profits, contact us at NewStar Incorporated. Toll free at 1-800-800-WASH or on the web at www.newstarinc.com.